Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Hope so you all are doing good at home. Before starting our today's story, I wanted to say something. I will be doing some changes in my stories. From the next story that I upload, the changes will be applicable from then. So, from next, the stories will be consisting of 4 to 5 parts. Overall, it will be like a short series, and I hope so you like that too. And I wanted to thank you all for supporting me, because of which I am able to write and narrate the stories till now. So, without wasting our much time, let's start our today's story. The title is Darkness Behind the Bright Sky. If you feel my this story is good, please like and share my channel and also subscribe it. So, let's start our today's story. Once I had a life that I thought was beautiful, but I got to know that I was just saying lie to myself. I did not know the truth behind my life, the darkness behind the bright sky. My life was not ordinary. I had lot of responsibilities. My parents died when I was small. I had two sisters. I was having lots of responsibilities on my shoulder. I always spent my whole time with my sisters. Not only that, I also left my schooling for them so that I could take proper care of my sisters. I used to go home and clean utensils, and the money which I used to get after all this hardship, that also I used to spend on my sister's education. I was playing the role of a father and a mother for my sister. I even used to forget about having food sometime. I used to feed my sisters first, then have something if it was left for me. To be frank, I don't know why sometimes I used to think that what about my happiness, what about my life? I also have a life and I also want to live it. But it was just a thought, okay? I always felt that when my sisters grew big, they will take care of me. What if I'm facing difficulties now, but one day I will be given with all the happiness and love that I deserve? Time started moving very fast. Now my sisters were going to get graduated, and I was very much happy for them. I was like I was fulfilling my dreams through my sisters, and I started seeing my dreams. I thought of going to the world tour, which was my first ever dream that I saw in my life. And not only that, my sisters promised me that one day they will be fulfilling my dream. Finally, tomorrow it was the last day of my sister's education. Finally, they were getting graduated. And after that, we all three thought of living together throughout our life. Finally, the day had come, my life's most beautiful day. From today, my life was going to change totally. My sisters came back from their graduation day and they were very happy. They were talking about their future plans, they were thinking of which job to opt for next, and they were very excited too. I felt bad because I was standing there for around 25 minutes, but they did not even notice me. I thought that as it is a very special day for them, so they needed some space, so I left them and went from there. After some time, my sisters came to my room. They came near to me and said me to go out from home. I was shocked. I did not have any words to describe how I felt. I said them, do they know what they are saying? Then they hold my hand, push me out of the door. They said that now they don't need me. Now they are free from me. They said that they were feeling ashamed of me. As I was uneducated, they were feeling ashamed to introduce me to their friends. I was like a burden on them. They were just finding the right time to get rid of me, and the time had come. After saying this, they closed the door. For me, it was not just the door that got closed, it was my dreams, my ambitions. What could I do? My own sisters did this to me. I was fully broken from inside. I knocked the door several times. They did not listen to me. Whole night I was out. And I was begging in front of my sisters. I was not educated, only that was my fault. I went away from my home. I was like a dead body. I was breathing out, but I was dead inside. While I was crossing a road, I met with an accident. When I opened my eyes, I saw myself in a hospital. And I saw a girl who was sitting in front of me. She started caring for me. By seeing this, that someone is there for me, I just said her about my difficulties and how my sisters behaved with me. She was so good that she took me to her home and then she said me that she will be always with me. For a while I thought that why she is doing this big thing to me. But I thought of trusting her as she was a good person. After that she went to her kitchen. While going she got hurt. Then I came to know that she was blind. She lost her eyes in an accident at the age of 10. From then she stood by herself even though she was not having eyes. She knew the world more better than before she did. She said me how she faced her difficulties and how she came over from it. By seeing her thing, I just realized that the thing which I am going through is nothing in front of her problem. For others, she was like a bright sky, but only she knew the darkness that she was going through inside. She said me that it is easy to be strong from outside, but to be strong from inside, we need courage, which everyone does not have. It needs a lot of courage to do that. Then she said me that we should be self independent. We should never think that someone else will do something for me. The person is rich only when he has a good health. We should fight for we should fight for ourselves until our body gives up. After listening to all this, I got courage of living my life without my sisters. And after that, I worked hard day and night and went for a world tour. And I was very much happy because I did it by myself. Finally, I fulfilled my dream. Yes, I was sad that now I was alone, but I always waited that day to come when my sisters would come and take me back with them. My sisters never knew the pain inside me. They never respected my sacrifice. They thought that I am like a darkness which always gives pain. They thought that I did bad for them, but they never saw that I was like a bright blue sky which is calm and caring. Days kept passing. Now it was almost years. I kept waiting for my sisters, but they never came. I was alone sitting on the chair and always staring at the blue bright sky. I always wanted to spend my remaining life with my sisters, but that day did not come. And I left my last breath on the same chair, waiting for my sister. Waiting, waiting, waiting. So thank you guys for listening my story till now, and please keep supporting me so that I could bring more and more new stories. And at last I just wanted to thank you guys, so thank you very very much for supporting me. Thank you.